Hey everybody, my name is Nick Jackson, and I'm a recording arts major at Full Sail. This assignment was for my computer science and internet class, and we'll discuss technology as it relates to digital recording. Let's begin.
Now I am focusing on digital recording because it is the most prevalent recording method used today. Years ago, the only method of recording audio was onto tape using large, bulky, expensive machines. As always, times began to change when British engineer Alec Rees patented pulse code modulation in 1943. Pulse code modulation is a digital representation of an analog signal, where the magnitude of the signal is sampled at regular intervals and quantized into a series of numbers in binary code. Binary code is those long series of ones and zeros like we've all seen in the Matrix. It is also the language of the almighty computer. Pulse code modulation, therefore, allows our computers to understand analog audio signals and translate them into their own digital language. This technology, utilized by audio converter hardware, now allow people to record, store, and organize large amounts of recorded audio all within one small desktop computer.
Now, knowing how pulse code modulation works is not as important as knowing how to utilize it. To do so, we must learn more about these wonderful magical computer devices I've been speaking of.
When speaking about computers, there are two main elements to address: hardware and software. Hardware is defined as the mechanical, magnetic, electronic, and electrical components making up a computer system. Some basic internal hardware components of a computer are the central processing unit, or CPU. This is often referred to as the brain of the computer because, as its name implies, it is the central unit that processes and carries out digital instructions provided by the software. The CPU is located on the motherboard, which is the main circuit board of the computer that contains memory, as well as the circuitry that controls the disk drives, keyboard, monitor, and other peripheral hardware devices such as video cards and sound cards. However, not all hardware is internal to the computer. In the recording industry, there are hundreds upon hundreds of separate external hardware components that are used in studios to achieve the best possible sounds that we can record. Examples of such components are audio converters, mixing consoles, and rack units. Changes and evolution of computer hardware have and will continue to dramatically affect the digital recording industry. For as long as we are in the digital realm, we are only capable of achieving as much as the equipment we use. With each breakthrough in the industry of computer hardware comes a new higher performance piece we can add to our machines. Thus, we are expanding our capabilities to record and share the finest sounds we can possibly capture. Now, on the other hand, we have software. Software can be described as the user-friendly digital interface that allows us to control our computer's hardware. There are many software programs used in the recording industry, many of which are called DAWs, or Digital Audio Workstations. These programs allow the user to record, edit, and play back digital audio. Pro Tools, Cubase, and Logic are all examples of DAW software. Just as with hardware, software affects and changes the recording industry with every new program that comes out. Software is what allows us to control our computers and edit the audio we record. Software is also what allows our audience to access our music, so it is vital that we keep our software up to date with the constantly changing world of technology.